say specifically whether it was low, medium, or high, but I can say, due to the volume, there was a period of either downloads or uploads whilst on the internet.
Ngeke ngikwazi ukuchaza kahle ukuthi bekunhloboni yokusebenzisa internet kodwa ke ngoba ke kuyabonakala ukuthi kuningi okwakwenzeka ngalapho masikhuluma ngevolume kusho ukuthi ukuningi yakhombisa ukuthi ngempela ke lo muntu lo khokho mhlambe waye downloada noma uploada izinto eziningi ku internet.
Okay. Now let's go back to the email data. On page 11. The two transactions before the SMS on the 26th of October at around 2032. No, after the SMS.
That would be the 27th.
No, my apologies, before.
That would be the 26th at 2026 and 2027. Is that what you're referring to?
Yes.
Okay. So at 2026, 59 seconds, the number ending 8169 called the number ending 8383. That call lasted 14 seconds. And the tower that was picked up there was Hout Street.
Target ngomhla 26 isikhathi ngo 2026 59 le number igcina ngo 8169 shayela ucingo kule number ethi 8383 bahlala imizuzwana eshumi nane kusetshenziswa ke le tower ekuthiwa Hout Street.
The activity thereafter was at 2027, 44 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 8383. That lasted 72 seconds. And the area or tower picked up was still Hout Street.
Can I get the time in seconds?
2027, 44 seconds.
So isikhathi 2027 and 48 and 44 seconds. The number go 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 8383 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi ayisikhombisa nambili kusetshenziswa itower Hout Street.
Okay. And then at 1941 and 12 seconds.
1941, 12 seconds. It was a MTC. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 8383, and that call lasted 15 seconds. And the tower there was Moy Street.
So again, isikhathi 1941 and 12 seconds. Kwaba khona ucingo olingenayo kule number 8169 luvela kule number 8383 bahlala imizuzwana eshumi nesihlanu ukuthi ke itower ke esetshenziswayo iMoy Street.
And the two calls below that one from the number ending 5387.
That was at still on the 26th at 20:08:47. An outgoing call from the number ending 8169 to the number ending 5387. Hout Street was picked up.
So ngayo kumhla 26 isikhathi sika 20:08:47 kokhona ke icall evela kule number egcina ngo 8169 iya kule number 5387 kusetshenziswa ke Hout Street.
That call lasted 58 seconds.
Lolo cingo lwahlala imizuzwana ayisihlanu nesishiyagalombili.
Thereafter, at 19 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5387 that lasted 165 seconds, and that was in the vicinity of Hout Street again.
Ngesikhathi esa 2016 19 seconds le number ayigcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number ethi 5387 bahlala ke imizuzwana ikhulu namashumi ayisithupha nanhlanu lapho ke babeqhumana ngele tower ekuthiwa i-Hout Street.
Thank you. Now let's move to page 43 of the AIMA data.
Page 43.
Call at 10:08:08.
On the 29th of November 2014, at 10:08:08, the number ending 8169 received a call which lasted 75 seconds from the number ending 9202. The tower picked up there was Pumula.
Mhla 29 kuNovember 2014 ngesikhathi ka 10:08:08 inamba ke egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number eyi-9202 and bahlala ke ucingweni imizuzwana amashumi ayisikhombisa nanhlanu and ithawa ke esetshenziswa lapho kwakuwuphumula.
Now, as per Annexa DD 5B, page 2, paragraph 7, this document is an extract. Can you identify that number?
That number belongs to Fisokule Ntuli.
Le number ke umnini wayo uFisokuhle Ntuli.
Again on that page, number at 29 November 2014, 12:28:41.
At that time, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007, which lasted 123 seconds, and the tower picked up was Ngoza.
So ngomhla 29 November ngesikhathi ka 12:28:41 le number ke 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu amashumi amabili nantathu futhi ke lapho kwakusetshenziswa itower ingoza.
Okay. And then the 30th of November 2014. around 6:23.
th of November is on page 44.
Yes.
30th November at 6:23:25. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 70 seconds, and the tower picked up was Moy Street.
Ngomhla ka-30 kuNovember 2014, isikhathi wa-06:23:25, le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007. Bahlala-ke imizuzwana elingana amashumi ayisikhombisa, and futhi-ke kwakusetshenziswa le tower ekuthiwa iMoy Street.
And then, as per Exhibit DD5B, that number is associated to
That number reflects on Fisokule Ntuli's name.
Leyo number-ke ivela njengekaFisokuhle Ntuli.
and they're still on the same date on page 44, 30 November 2014 at 8:45.
At 8:45:03 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 40 seconds from the number ending 7007, and it reflects the tower of Moy Street.
So-ke ngesikhathi ka-08:45 and 03 seconds, the number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007 olwalasta imizuzwana yamashumi amane, and kusetshenziswa i-tower le ekuthiwa iMoy Street.
And then the identification of that number is per Exhibit DD5B.
Fisokule Ntuli.
Leyo number kuthiwa ikaFisokuhle Ntuli.
And then on the 30th of November 2014, 1947 and 86 MTC.
That would reflect on page 45
Or page 45, my apologies.
at 1947:36. The MTC was received by the number ending 8169. It lasted 50 seconds, and it came from the number ending 7007, and the tower picked up was Bosele.
Kuthiwa ngomhla 30 November ngesikhathi ka-1947 36 seconds, le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007. Bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyamashumi amahlanu. Ithawa kabebeyisebenzisa lapho ubusile.
And then let's move to page 46 on the AMA data. 1st December 2014, around 9:33.
At 9:33:26 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 51 seconds, and the tower picked up there was House Street.
Ngomhla ka-1 kuDisemba, le number egcina ngo-8169 isikhathi kwaku-09:33:26 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number ye-7007 abahlala khona ocingweni imizuzwana eyamashumi amahlanu nanye. Ithawa ke esetshenziswa ku-Holt Street.
And then the next call at 9:34:46.
That was an incoming call to 8169, lasted 181 seconds, and the number that called 8169 was 7007, and the tower picked up was Commissioner Street.
Sure again, it's got 9:34, 36 seconds. The number is 8169. Yathola ucingo oluvela kule number is 7007. Bahlala emzuzwana eyikhulu amashumi ayisishiyagalombili nanye. Ithawula yaqhumana ngayo kwaku Commissioner Street.
And then the identification of the number as per Exhibit DD5B.
Fisokule Ntuli.
Kuthiwa ke le number ke kwake ekafiso kuhle Ntuli.
And then on the 1st of December 2014, 14, 20, 22.
The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 240 seconds, and the area picked up was Kensington.
Kuthiwa ke I didn't get the time. Sorry.
14, 20, 22 seconds.
14, 20, and 22. Thank you. During isikhathi sika 14, 20 no 20 seconds, le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007. Bahlala ke emzuzwana amakhulu amabili namashumi amane. Ithawa ke bexhumanisa kwakuyi Kensington.
Still on page 46, on the 1st of December at 1818.
At 12 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 43 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kensington.
Kuthiwa ke isikhathi sika 1818, 12 seconds. Le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number u-7007. Lapho bahlala khona ke ucingweni imizuzwana engamashumi amane nantathu kuwukuthi basetshenziswa le tower ekuthiwa yi-Kensington.
And the next call.
Thereafter, at 18:20, 16 seconds, another call was received by 8169. It lasted 4 seconds from the number ending 7007, and the tower picked up was Kensington.
Kuthiwa ngesikhathi sika 18:26, 16 seconds. Le number u-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number u-7007. Bahlala khona imizuzu emine kuphela kusetshenziswa itower kwi-Kensington.
Thereafter.
The next entry is at 18:20, 40 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 38 seconds, and Kensington was picked up again.
So ngesikhathi sika 18:20, 40 seconds. Le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007. Bahlala ke imizuzwana engamashumi amathathu nesishiyagalombili. Kwakusetshenziswa itower i-Kensington.
And then on page 47 at 1726, 42.
On the 2nd of December 2014, the number ending 8169 received a call at 17:26:42. It lasted 89 seconds from the number ending 5787, and the tower picked up was Kensington.
So ngomhla 2 kuDisemba ngesikhathi sika 17:26:42, the number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number u-5787. Bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi ayisishiyagalombili nesishiyagalolunye. Kuwukuthi kusetshenziswa le tower i-Kensington.
Can you identify the number as per Exhibit DD5B?
belongs to Fisekule Ntuli.
Ke umnino le number ke ufisa kuhle Ntuli.
Page 49. The last transaction on page 49. It's 3 December 2014 at 18:25.
$18.25.
And 12
Do not-
MTC. 3 December 3/12/2014.
3 December 2014 at 18.
25.
That's on page 48, not 49. 1825 at, my apologies, 3rd December 2014, 1825, 12 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. That call lasted 605 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kensington.
So umhla 3 kuDecember isikhathi kwaku 18:25 and 12 seconds. Lapho ke le number u8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana amakhulu ayisithupha nanhlanu. Lapho ke babesebenzisa iTower iKensington.
And then on page 52, 6 December 2014 at 12:37 and 46.
December
Yes,
at 12:37:46.
correct.
That entry is on page 53. The
Yes.
time is 12:37:46 seconds. The number ending in 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. That call lasted 39 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwaduma, KZN.
Umhla 6 kuDecember isikhathi yas 12:37:46 seconds. Le number ku 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi amathathu nesishagalolunye ukuthi ithawa baqhumenisayo ithawa ekuthiwa yiKwaduma.
Just want to correct,
KZN.
the page number is page 53.
Page 53,
That's
yes.
correct. And then 8 December 2014 around 0810.
Repeat that date for me, please.
8 December 2014.
8 December.
It's page 55.
Eight 10:01 seconds. Number ending 8169 received a call from number ending 7007. It lasted 36 seconds, and Kensington was picked up.
So umhla 8 kuDecember 2014 isikhathi ka 8:10 and 01 second. The number ku 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi amathathu nesithupha beqhungeniswa ile tower to Kensington.
And thereafter,
The next entry is at 8:11:09 seconds. 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. That call lasted 86 seconds, and Kensington was picked up.
kuthiwa ngesikhathi sika-8:11 and 9 seconds le number ke u-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 and bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi ayisishiyagalombili nesithupha futhi ke beqhunyaniswa iletha ekuthiwa i-Kensington.
And then on the 8th of December 2014, around 1754, yes, page 56.
During that time, 17:54:37 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007, which lasted 28 seconds, and Kensington was picked up.
So mhla 8 December 2014 isikhathi sika 1754 sorry and 37 second le number ayigcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi amabili nesishiyagalombili beqhunyaniswa itower i-Kensington.
And on the 9th of December 2014, around 7:27,
At 7:27:13 seconds, 8169 received a call from 7007, which lasted 44 seconds, and the tower picked up was Belgravia.
Mhla 9 December 2014 isikhathi u-07:27:13 le number ekuthiwa egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala imizuzwana eyamashumi amane nane besebenzisa itower i-Belgravia.
13 December 2014, around 11:10. That's on page 61.
December roundabout. Time
11:10.
11:10. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. It lasted 8 seconds, and the tower picked up was Moy Street.
Ngomhla 13 December isikhathi sika 11:10 ifoni egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyisishiyagalombili besebenzisa itower i-Moy Street.
Just to go back a little bit, on page 59, 11 December 2014, I skipped one, call it 819.
Repeat that time, please.
80819 and for the 8.
0819. Was that which date?
11 December 2014.
11. December 2014, 08:19:48. There was a call that 8169 received from the number ending 5787. It lasted 250 seconds, and the tower picked up was Moy Street.
Ngomhla 11 December 2014 isikhathi sika 08:19 and 48 seconds le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana engamakhulu amabili namashumi ayisihlanu kusetshenziswa itower uMoy Street.
Page 62, 13 December 2014 at 17:31 and 06.
17:31:06, there was an outgoing call from the number 8169. It lasted 29 seconds and it was made to the number ending 5787, and the tower picked up was Vosloorus North.
ngomhla 13 kuDisemba isikhathi wa 17:31:06 seconds le number yo 8169 yashaya ucingo lishayela kule number u5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi amabili nesishagalolunye isetshenziswa itower uFosloorus.
Page 63, 14 December 2014, 12:17 and 58 MTC.
At this time, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. It lasted 50 seconds and the tower picked up was Nongoma Town.
Ngomhla 14 kuDisemba ngesikhathi wasika 1427 le number 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 5787 abahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisihlanu ithawa ke bayixhumanisa eNongoma.
Page 64, the first call at 14:17, 14 December, 14:17.
At 14:17:21, there was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169. It lasted 23 seconds and it was made to the number ending 5787. And the tower picked up was KwaMateni.
Ke ngomhla 14 uDisemba isikhathi ka 14:17:21 second the number 8116 egcina ngo 8169 yashayela in the number egcina ngo 5787 ucingo bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi amabili nantathu kusetshenziswa itower ethiwa KwaMateni.
14 December 2014, around 18:56 and 13.
18:56:13, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. It lasted 47 seconds and KwaMateni was picked up.
Ngayo mhla 14 kuDisemba isikhathi ko 18:56 13 second le number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number ewu 5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi amane nesikhombisa ukuthi basenzisa le tower ethiwa KwaMateni.
And on the same day, 14 December 2014, at 20:32:54, the activities there.
20:32:54 seconds, there was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169. It lasted 13 seconds and it was made to the number ending 8383. And the tower picked up, I'm sorry I can't pronounce it. I'm just going to give it a try. Nongongwane.
Ngomhla ka 30 ngomhla ka 14 ngesikhathi sika 20:32:54 le number ke egcina ngo 8169 yafonela le number egcina ngo 8383 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nantathu ithawa ke bayisebenzisa kwaNgongwane.
And the next activity?
Thereafter, it was at 20:34:13, an outgoing call from the number ending 8169, lasted 31 seconds, to the number 8383, and the same tower Kongwani was picked up. 31 seconds.
So-ke ngesikhathi sika 20, 34, 13 seconds, the number egcina u-8169 yafonela the number u-8383 bahlala-ke imizuzwana yamashumi amathathu nanye kusetshenziswayo yona le tower ukwangqongwane.
And thereafter?
Thereafter, at 20:35, there was an outgoing call
Ngesikhathi-ke sika 2035
that lasted 9 seconds to 8383, and that tower Kongwani was picked up.
kuthiwa-ke ngesikhathi sika 2035 kube nekhole-ke eya kule number 8383 and eyalasta-ke imizuzwana eyisishagalolunye kusetshenziswa yona le tower kuthiwa kwangqongwane.
Thereafter, at 20:35:31, another outgoing call from 8169 to 8383 lasted 3 seconds, and the same tower Kongwani was picked up.
Kuthiwa ngesikhathi sika 2035 and 31 second le foni egcina ngo-8169 yafonela le number 8383 bahlala-ke imizuzwana emithathu kuphela kusetshenziswa-ke yona le tower kuthiwa kwangqongwane.
And then the transaction thereafter?
Thereafter, 20:35:52 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 49 seconds from the number 8383, and Kongwani was picked up.
So ngesikhathi sika 2035:52 the number ku-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number u-8383 bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyamashumi amane neshagalolunye kusetshenziswa le tower ukwangqongwane.
Thank you. Ma'am, is this the same number that transacted with the number ending with 169 on the 26th of October before the last transaction, which is the SMS?
That is correct, yes.
Kuthiwa yona le number eyakhuluma nele number egcina 169 ngomhla ka 26/11 kunga emva ukuthi kube ne-SMS.
Yes. Let's proceed. 14 December 2014, 21, 22.
Twenty-one, 22, 52 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 7 seconds from the number 8383, with the Kongwani tower picked up.
Ngomhla 14 December isikhathi 21, 22 and 52 seconds the number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-8383 bahlala khona imizuzwana eyisikhombisa kuphela kusetshenziswa yona le tower kwangqongwane.
14 December 2014, 21, 47, 41.
The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 8383, which lasted 44 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kongwani.
So mhla 14 December isikhathi kwa 2147 the number egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo8383 bahlala ke imizuzu engama44 kusetshenziswa ke le tower ekuthiwa ikwangqongwane.
And thereafter?
Thereafter, the next entry was at 21:48:44 seconds, an outgoing call from 8169 to the number 8383, and Kwangongwani was picked up.
How many seconds?
That was 2 seconds.
So ke ngayo mhla 14 December isikhathi kwa 21:44 seconds leyo number ke egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo futhi oluvela kule number egcina ngo8383 yahlala ke imizuzwana emibili kuphela kuyo le tower le yakwangqongwane.
Thereafter, at 21:49:23 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 8383. That call lasted 556 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangongwani.
So ke ngalolo suku kamhla 14 kuDecember isikhathi kwa 21:49:23 seconds le number egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku8383 bahlala ke imizuzu emakhulu 556 ithawa ke esetshenziswa lapho kwayikwangqongwane.
15 December 2014, 0707 MTC.
That transaction on the 15th of December, 8169 received a call that lasted 68 seconds from the number ending 7007, and the tower picked up there was Kwangongwani.
So mhla 15 December isikhathi kwa 0707 le number egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number ethi egcina 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana ama-68 ithawa ke esetshenziswa ikwangqongwane.
Then let's proceed to the 17th of December. No, 18 December.
18 December, what time?
12:35.
That is on page 70.
Yes.
At 12:35:48, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 1239. That call lasted 75 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangongwani.
Ngomhla 18 kuDecember isikhathi ngo 12:35:48 le number egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo1239 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyama-75 kusetshenziswa ke le tower yakwangqongwane.
Then let's refer to Exhibit DD 5B, page 2, paragraph 7. The last entry, paragraph 7.
Yes.
What
That-
does it say?
That number belongs to Fisokule Ntuli.
So le number ke ekafisokuhle Ntuli.
On page 71, 19 December 2014, 6:20.
At 6:20, 19 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. That call lasted 99 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangongwani.
Mhla 19 December isikhathi u-6 2019 isikhathi u-8169 isikhathi u-06 2019 le foni u-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana ewu-99 bexhumana ngethawa yakwaNgqongwane.
Page 75, 21 December 2014, 15:30.
Please repeat the page number.
Page 75.
75. 15:30, 50 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 128 seconds, and Kwamadeni was picked up as the tower.
Mhla 21 kuDisemba isikhathi u-15:30 ifoni le egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule foni egcina ngo-8007 bahlala emizuzwana eyi-128 lapho-ke babesenzisa ithawa ekuthiwa ikwamadeni.
23 December 2014, 06:17. On page 77.
Zero 6:17, 57 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. That call lasted 75 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangongwani.
So-ke ngomhla 23 kuDisemba isikhathi wa-06-17-57 le nombala egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-5787 lapho bahlala khona imizuzwana eyi-75 imizuzwana eyi-75 ithawa ke esetshenziswa lapho kwaNgqongwane.
Still on page 77, 23 December 2014, 11:51.
11:51, 19 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. It lasted 41 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Vryheid, SADF.
So-ke ngomhla 23 kuDisemba isikhathi ku-11:51 and 19 seconds the number ke egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kunumber ekuthiwa 5787 le egcina ngo-5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana engamashumi 41 lapho ke kwakusetshenziswa le tower ekuthiwa i-Vryheid, SADF.
Still on page 77, 23 December 13:27.
At 13:27, 52 seconds, 8169 received a call from 5787. It lasted 51 seconds, and the tower picked up was still Vryheid, SADF.
So ngaye kumhla 23 December isikhathi wa 13:27:52 le number egcina 8169 iyathola ucingo eluvela ku 5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi amahlanu nanye ithawa esetshenziswa koku i-Freiheit SADF.
And the next call thereafter?
Thereafter, the next activity, still for the 23rd of December 2014, at 13:35, 44 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 34 seconds from the number ending 5787, and Freiheit SADF was still picked up.
So isikhathi esa 13:35 44 seconds ngamhla 23 December le number egcina 8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule number 5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi amathathu nane kusetshenziswa yona le tower i-Freiheit SADF.
On page 82, 17:25, 27 December 2014.
Seventeen 25 30 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. That call lasted 133 seconds, and the tower picked up was it's Shudu.
Please write it down. I can't see
TSHODO. ITSHTODO.
Ngomhla 27 December isikhathi 17:25 30 seconds the number egcina 8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu namashumi amathathu nantathu ithiwa ke itshoto.
December 2014, 19:35 on page 83.
(19:35, 20 seconds). 8169 received a call that lasted 79 seconds from the number ending 7007, and that tower of Kwangongwani was picked up.
So ngomhla 28 December ke ngesikhathi ka 19:35 20 seconds the number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ke ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisikhombisa nesishiyagalolunye kusetshenziswa ke le tower ekuthiwa yiKwangongwani.
January 2015 at 13:33 on page 87.
On the 1st of January 2015, at 13:33 39 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. It lasted 69 seconds, and the tower was Kwangongwani.
Ngomhla 5 January 2015 isikhathi kwa-13:33 and 39 seconds. Le number egcina ngo-8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-5787. Bahlala-ke imizuzwana amashumi ayisithupha neshagalolunye ocingweni. Beqhumana-ke ngale tower ekuthiwa ikwangqongwane.
On page 90, 5 January 2015 at 7:53.
$7:53 on the 5th of January, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 1239, lasted 53 seconds, and Kwangongwani was picked up.
Isikhathi sika-7:53 ngomhla ka-1 December, 1st kuJanuary, 2015. Le number egcina ngo-8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-1239. Bahlala imizuzwana yamashumi amahlanu nantathu. Kukuthi-ke basebenzisa-ke le tower ekuthiwa ikwangqongwane.
On page 91, 5 January 2015 at 15:42.
At 15:42:43 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 1239. It lasted 64 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangongwani.
So, ngomhla 5 kuJanuary ngesikhathi ka-15:42:43 seconds, le number egcina ngo-8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-1239. Bahlala-ke imizuzwana yamashumi ayisithupha nane kusetshenziswa le tower yakwangqongwane.
Page 98, 11 January 2015, 16:30.
$16:30:28 seconds. Is that the one you're referring to?
Yes.
11 January 2015, 16:30:28 seconds, 8169 received a call that lasted 64 seconds from the number ending 5787, and that tower that was picked up was Delville.
So ngomhla 11 kuJanuary 2015 isikhathi ko-16:30:28 seconds, le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-5787. Bahlala-ke imizuzwana engamashumi ayisithupha nane. Kusetshenziswa itower ekuthiwa iDelville.
Page 99, 13 January 2015, 7:22.
At 7:22:28 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. That call lasted 32 seconds, and the tower picked up was Moy Street.
So ngomhla 13 kuJanuary 2015 isikhathi 07:22:28 le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007. Bahlala imizuzwana yamashumi amathathu nambili. Itower esetshenziswa kwakuyi-Moy Street.
And the next call or the next activity thereafter?
That was at 7:23:32 seconds. 8169 called the number 7007. And
The time?
7:23:32.
Thank you.
That looks to be a 0. And the tower that was picked up was Moist Street.
Thoke umhla 13 January 2015 isikhathi sika 7:23 and 32 seconds. Le number egcina ngo-8169 yafonela le number egcina ngo-7007. Kubonakala sengathi ke abakwazanga ukukhuluma ngoba imizuzu ebekiwe lapha u0 kodwa kusetshenziswa itower uMoy Street.
Can you elaborate more on this call MOC 0? What can it signify?
Kazi ukuthini uMOC 0?
It's the first time I see a MOC with a 0. I can only assume that as the call went through, it was disconnected. Therefore, there wasn't a duration.
Uthi ngiyaqala nga ukubona uMOC ochaza ukuthi ucingo oluphumayo luhambisana nokuthi ke isikhathi sathathwa u0. Lokho ke ubona ukuthi kusho ukuthi ke yathi le call ingangena yabe seke iyanqanyulwa.
Could the phone be off or on voicemail?
It wasn't on voicemail because it doesn't reflect a CF.
But le phone yayingekho ku voicemail ngoba ayikhombisi ibhale lapha uCF.
Okay, let's proceed to page 101. Are you on that page?
101.
Yes, 15 January 2015, 6:12.
At 6:12:01, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 8 seconds and the tower picked up was Moist Street.
Ngesikhathi sika 06:12:01 le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ke ucingo oluvela ku-7007. Bahlala ke isikhathi esilingana imizuzwana eyisishiyagalombili itower esetshenziswa uMoy Street.
And the call thereafter?
Thereafter, at 6:12:29, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 11 seconds from the number ending 7007, and Moy Street was picked up again.
So ngesikhathi sika 6:12:29 le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007. Bahlala ke imizuzwana eyi-11 beqhunywa le tower yase Moy Street.
15 January 2015 at 9:09:00.
Zero 9:00:57 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 15 seconds, and Joburg General was picked up as the tower.
So mhla 15 January 2015 the number egcina ngo-8169 isikhathi sika 09:00:57 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number ethi egcina ngo-7007. Bahlala imizuzwana eyi-15. Itower ke esetshenziswa eJohannesburg General.
Still on page 102, the next call thereafter.
Thereafter, at 9:05:14 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007, which lasted 33 seconds, and the tower picked up was still Joburg General.
So ngo-09:05:14 le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007. bahlala ke imizuzwana emashumi amathathu nantathu kusasetshenziswa yona le tower ukuthiwa uJohannesburg General.
Page 103, 16 January 2015 at 14:17.
At 14:17, 45 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 27 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kensington.
So again, 16 January, isikhathi ka 14:17 45 seconds. The number ke egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana emashumi amabili nesikhombisa ikhaba eyayibaxhumanisa kwakuyi Kensington.
Page 104, 17 January 2015 at 15:10.
At 15:10, 54 seconds, there was an MTC to the number ending 8169. It lasted 108 seconds. It was from the number ending 5787, and Belgravia was the tower picked up.
So I'm 17 January, isikhathi wo 15:10 54 seconds. Le number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number u5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu nesishiyagalombili lapho basebenzisa itower iBelgravia.
Okay, just to remind me, as per exhibit DD5B, that number is associated to who?
5787, Fisokule Ntuli.
So le number egcina ngo 5787 kwakuyinumber kaFisokuhle Ntuli.
17 January 2015 at 2014.
That's on page 105.
Yes.
2014-49. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 14 seconds, and the tower picked up was Holt Street.
So again, on 17 January, isikhathi u 2014 49 seconds. The number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nane kusetshenziswa ke le tower ekuthiwa eHolt Street.
Again, as per exhibit DD5B, that number is associated to who?
7007, Fisokule Ntuli.
So the number ekuthiwa 7007 ekaFisokuhle Ntuli.
Can you confirm if these transactions of these two calls happened on the same day?
Yes, on the 17th.
Yebo, lezi ngcingo zenzeka ngosuku olulodwa mhla ka 17.
Page 105, 18 January 2015, 11:14.
Please repeat that.
18 January 2015, 11:14. MOC.
18 January.
Yes, page 105,
Okay.
14.
The number ending 8169 at 11:14 16 seconds made an outgoing call to the number ending 7007, lasted 66 seconds, and Belgravia was picked up as the tower.
Mhla 18 January, isikhathi u 11:14 16 seconds. Le number egcina ngo 8169 yashaya ucingo eshayela le number u7007 and bahlala ke imizuzwana engamashumi ayisithupha nesithupha besebenzisa itower iBelgravia.
On page 107, 20 January 2015, 10:25 MTC.
Ten 25:26 was a call 8169 received from the number ending 7007. It lasted 93 seconds and Belgravia was picked up as the tower.
So mhla 20 January 2015 isikhathi ko 10:25:26 le number ke igcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi ayishagalolunye nantathu lapho ke kusetshenziswa itower iBelgravia.
Page 109, 22 January 2015 at 21:18.
21:18:14 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 10 seconds and Alexandra was picked up as the tower.
Mhla 22 January 2015 isikhathi ko 21:18:14 seconds le number ke egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana elishumi kusetshenziswa le tower iAlexandra.
Still on the same page, 22 January 2015 at 22:45.
22:45, 13 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 29 seconds and the tower picked up was Belgravia.
So mhla 22 January 2015 isikhathi ko 22:45 and 13 seconds the number igcina 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi amabili nesishagalolunye itower ke esetshenziswa kuBelgravia.
Page 110, 24 January 2015 at 6:43 MTC.
At 6:43:01, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 132 seconds and the Belgravia tower was picked up again.
Ngomhla 24 January 2015 isikhathi ko 06:43 and 1 second le number igcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu namashumi amathathu nambili besebenzisa ke le tower iBelgravia.
Page 112, 25 January 2015, 17:41.
At 17:41:43 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 7 seconds from the number 7007 and the tower picked up was Belgravia.
Can I confirm the time?
17:41:43 seconds.
Ngomhla 25 January 2015 isikhathi 17:41:43 seconds le number igcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku7007 bahlala khona imizuzu eyisikhombisa kusetshenziswa ke le tower eBelgravia.
Still on page 112, 25 January 2015 at 19:26.
At 19:26:18 seconds, 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007, which lasted 24 seconds, and the Belgravia Tower was picked up again.
Ngalo usuku lomhla 25 kuJanuary 2015, isikhathi kwawo 1926 and 18 second. The phone egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi amabili nane kusetshenziswa itower yaseBelgravia.
Page 113, on top, 25 January 2015 at 19:44.
At 19:44:43 seconds, 8169 received a call from 1239, which lasted 67 seconds, and Belgravia was picked up as the tower.
Ngomhla 25 January 2015, isikhathi 19:44 and 43 seconds. Le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-1239 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi ayisithupha nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa itower eBelgravia.
25 January 2015, 19:47.
At 19:47:36 seconds, an outgoing call was made by the number 8169 to the number ending 1239. It lasted 23 seconds, and Belgravia was picked up again.
Ngomhla 29 kuJanuary 2015, isikhathi kwawo 19:47 and 36 seconds. Lapho ke inumber egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela inumber egcina ngo-1239 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi amabili nantathu kusetshenziswa itower yaseBelgravia.
25 January 2015 at 20:20.
At 20:38 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 19 seconds from the number ending 1239, and Belgravia was picked up again.
Kuthiwa ke ngomhla 25 kuJanuary 2015, isikhathi kwawo 20:38, the number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-1239 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nesishiyagalolunye kusetshenziswa yona le tower yaseBelgravia.
Let's go to Mrs. My Lord. We have almost reached the end of the day. It's 15:28. May we then proceed tomorrow? Just to also arrange what is going to happen tomorrow regarding the position of accused number 3. I understand that you must consult with a doctor or a nurse around 10:30 tomorrow.
Information that was relayed to me in the morning, but may I, however, confirm with him? Thank you. Thank you, my lord, for indulgence. He's instructing me that there's a sergeant that will be arriving at the prison facility there tomorrow. Unfortunately, he's unable to confirm at what time is he going to arrive, but he definitely says he does have an appointment for a consultation with him. And I've also been informed by my colleague, Advocate Baloi, that Mr. Krebengu will avail himself tomorrow.
So what happens to the session tomorrow?
Earlier on when I spoke to Mr. Ngabe, indicated that we may start a little late at around 11, because I don't think it's a serious thing that is going to.
What's wrong with his hand?
His hand, my lord. It's
What's wrong with
painful.
it?
He once had an operation because of a broken, fractured limb.
Fractured
Fractured limb.
limb.
I don't know what portion of the hand is this. Yes, but I know it's just a limb, my lord.
I see.
So because of the condition that he's staying in, the coldness, I think it's affected. So that's the reason.
So what
why.
should we do? We should start at 11.
May I request the court, my lord, to start the session at 11, just to give him a bit of time.
Okay. Are you available tomorrow, ma'am?
Yes, my lord.
You know what is this part?
This is a wrist, my lord.
It's a bicep.